FK Montana 23 back at it again with another video. I'm actually trying out this new what they call it, this new monkey app. You feel me? I'm trying out this new monkey app. So I'm just gonna really do dumb shit, talk to random females and do dumb shit. Maybe ask them, let me eat their ass, rate me 1 through 10. I don't know, funny voice, it depends how I feel. We're gonna see what's up. So I'm actually starting the video now. Let's do it. I'm about to start with screen recording. Oh, hold up. You feel me? Boom, yeah. Alright, let's do it. There we go. That was a female. There's nothing but niggas on here, bro. It's late night. These niggas, they hunting on something, boy. Wait for somebody to pop up. See. Boom. Let's see if she contact. Ah, she skipped me. Yo, what's up? Yo.
What's up?
Yo, add time. Yo, I got a question to ask you.
Huh?
I got a question to ask y'all.
What's up?
Y'all gonna let me eat that booty? No, you ain't gonna let me eat your ass? Why not? You're not gonna let me eat the buns? I'm saying, like...
Why would you let him out, Beyonce? Put him back in the cage.
Hold on, pause. So it's not cool to eat ass nowadays? I thought it was just cool to eat ass.
Not at all.
She said, not at all. She looked at you. Why you looking at me like that?
First of all, not everybody clean their ass. So you eat doodle turds, everything. So
They doodle turds.
First of all, you eat someone's... First of all, poop comes out of the butt. So I'm choosing shit.
I was first of all, I was just playing. Y'all gonna be on my YouTube channel. It was a joke. Chill out. It was not that serious.
That nigga was dead serious.
All right, check me out. Look me up. Add time real quick. Look me up. They not having it. Yo, they was not having that shit. Them girls was not having that shit. She said that nigga was dead serious. Oh, let's get this one. Hey, how are you doing today, my friend?
Oh, your voice is cute.
My voice is cute.
I'm sorry, I like your voice.
Thank you so much. Add time, okay. No. These folk cutting up. I'm finna let these folk have it. Hello? How you doing?
I'm good.
Why are you making fun of my voice?
I'm not.
You are. I'm from Africa. Add time.
I am too.
Ah, these folk here. Hold on, man. Hold on. She said, I am too. Looking at it. Alright, boom. Oh, she skipped me fast too on the set. Yo, what up? What it do?
Hey.
What y'all got going on?
Nothing. How old are you?
I'm 22.
No.
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 I can't even tell him to add time. I can't even tell him to add time, bro. Boom. Janae. Yo, what up? They dead in my shit. They not having it. Don't want to talk to him. That's a nigga. So they really not having that shit, though. Like, all jokes aside, like, they really not having that shit. I don't know which one I should do next. I'm just going spontaneously. Let's see. Boom. Hello? Hello? How you doing, my friend?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. You play Xbox? Them niggas is not having it. It's really late though. Ain't nobody up here. Boom. Got skipped on the day. Homies, I got skipped. Yo, what up?
You look good.
I look good. Ooh, yum. I'm a whole snack.
Scrumptious.
I'm a snack. Add time. I'm a whole snack out here.
You a scrumptious little thing.
I be trying. Yo, let me ask you a question though.
You a little cock.
Let me ask you a question. Yo, let me eat that booty. Like groceries though. Like, hold on, for real. For real, let me eat your booty like groceries. Like, all jokes aside.
I can't have you in my ass.
You can't have me eating the cheeks.
You can eat this cat though.
Ooh, that shit whack. That shit whack. I'm trying to be on my Kevin Gates shit, like eating straight ass from now on.
But eat my booty.
Eat your booty. Let me see your face first of all. Hey, nah, look, check me out. I'm just fucking with you, yo. Look me up on YouTube. Y'all gonna be on my YouTube channel.
What is it?
Add time. It's gonna be I am YFK Montana. I am YFK. Not a little twerk session. Boop. Not a little. Yo, y'all gay as fuck. Yo, why y'all gay like that? Yo, add me on YouTube. Yo, why y'all cutting up like that? Is y'all gonna add me on YouTube? Next. Yo, they cut. There was a whole nigga on the damn homies. I thought it was an ass. I thought it was a bitch on Insane Crib. Oh, them niggas got me on the shirt. I'm never saying nothing else. I'm like, wow, not a little booty shake. It's over with. Niggas caught me on the set. It's over. It's never happening again. Oh, man. Let's see what she talking about. Boom. Yo, what it do?
Hello.
What's up? Yo, rate me on 1 through 10.
I was gonna ask you the same thing. You a 9. Now can you rate me?
Let me see your face. Back up. Add time. Boom. I give you about an 8.5.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
That's what's
How old
up.
are you?
You say what?
How old are you?
I'm 22. I'm doing a YouTube channel.
I was gonna say something. Never mind.
No. Don't cut up.
I wouldn't.
Yeah, though. All jokes aside, though, y'all gotta look up my YouTube channel. It's gonna be I am YFK Montana.
Say that again.
I am YFK Montana.
I am
YFK
YFK.
Montana. It'll be up there tomorrow. Yeah, it'll be up there tomorrow around like 4 o'clock.
Okay. I am shit. YFK.
Yeah. Ooh, not the dictionary. I need it. I need a dictionary. What's going on?
Montana.
Yeah, I am YFK Montana. I got it?
I am or
I am. A.M. I am YFK Montana. Y'all gonna be on YouTube looking dumb, I'm telling you. Y'all gonna be on YouTube looking greasy, boy. You got it?
Yeah.
I bet. Fuck with me. Yo, they'll be on YouTube looking crazy. Niggas looking greasy. Nigga, you need a dictionary, little nigga. You up all night. What time is it? It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. Little nigga, you need a dictionary.
It's 3 o'clock.
She scared me. Yo, what it do? I'm alright. Give me a rate to 1 to 10 then. Ooh. How old you is out here twerking at 3 o'clock in the morning? At time. That motherfucking twerking at 3 o'clock in the morning. Go your ass to bed. Read a book.
It's 3 o'clock.
I'm gonna fuck with y'all though, bro. I'm gonna do another video soon. It was just my first video ever. I'm gonna keep them coming though. I'm gonna be hot with them though. Frequently. Almost every other day, every 2 days. You feel me? YK Montana, I'm out. You did?